Yiheda, using automation parts as core business, providing one-stop supply for factory automation parts. Rome was not built in one day. The road ahead may be long and tough, but one step at a time we shall endure. Grow in experience and constant breakthrough. More than 10 years of hard working forging extraordinary. The company is driven by 6 core capabilities. Committed to providing high-quality, short delivery term and low-cost parts and components for the automation equipment industry. Based on a deep understanding of automation application scenarios, standardize, modularize, and organize automation components on the basis of a complete product supply system. Gradually establish a standardized system for FA automation parts. Compiled into product selection manuals in 6 major areas. Have an experienced, stable, and professional technical research and development team. Implement scientific and rigorous R&D process. Have multiple patent certifications. Won the honorary title of high-tech enterprise. In order to meet the diverse needs for products from customer, the company continues to increase investment in production equipment, continues to enhance the production capability of self-made products, strengthen and improve the product processing accuracy while increasing the capacity for large-scale manufacturing, provide flexible production solutions for small batches and multiple varieties. Strict and meticulous testing is carried out in every step, from raw material warehousing to finished product delivery. Provide quality assurance for product delivery. Build an industry-leading warehouse center with dynamic storage, intelligent distribution, automation picking functions. The production line is directly connected with the logistic distribution line. Realize integrated operation of production, warehousing, and logistics. Customers can carry out the whole process of production configuration, inquiry, order generation, payment, order tracking, etc. online. At the same time, the company has a group of localized customer service teams, providing professional support and service to customers. The company has carried out informatization transformation of all operating systems. Ensure full information from order to delivery are presented in a timely manner in the digital system. Bring agile and efficient operation management to enterprises. Under the guidance of Made in China 2025, promote the transformation and upgrading of manufacturing to intelligent manufacturing. Create an ecosystem in the field of industry automation. Promote intelligent manufacturing and empower global manufacturing. Yiheda makes automation easy.